Alright guys, here's how to do a spark plug swap on this Lexus CT200h, which is similar for most Prius models as well. First, start off by removing this plastic engine cover by just pulling up at these 3 points. Disconnect this connector in order to get more space, and then continue disconnecting the rest of the connectors on the 4 coil packs. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the screw holding the coil pack in place. Once it's removed, just pull up on the ignition coil. Now use a 9/16 spark plug socket with an optional U-joint adapter in order to remove the spark. Make sure that the socket is firmly seated on the spark plug, then break it free and remove the rest of the way. Make sure that both are the same size before trying to install. Also, as a side note, for these NGK plugs, it is recommended not to put anti-seize on the threads. Alright, now just push the spark plug into the socket and thread it in by hand. Lightly tighten down the spark plug with a ratchet and then torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the coil by just pushing down until it's seated and then tighten the screw lightly by hand. Make sure not to over tighten as this is a plastic piece. Now plug in both connectors. And let's do the same for the next. Remove the screw and pull up on the coil. Break the spark plug free and remove. Push the spark plug into the socket and then tighten down by hand. Then torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. Push in the ignition coil and tighten down the screw. Third plug is the same procedure. Remove the coil, break the spark plug free, remove, and reinstall with the new one, torquing down to 15 foot-pounds, and then reinstall the coil. Alright, on the final one, the ignition coil screw is just in a different position. However, the procedure is the same as the rest. So pull out the coil, remove the spark plug, install with the new one, and torque it down again to 15 foot-pounds. Tighten down the screw for the coil and connect both connectors. And that's it, you're done. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, consider liking and subscribing, and all the links for the parts and the tools that I use will be in the description below.